Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to solve a question under composition of functions. Okay, so the question says f of x is equal to 5x plus 4, g of x is equal to 6x minus k. So here we have a constant, the constant k. So we have to find the value of that constant k for which f of g is equal to g of x. Okay, so this is interesting. This is easy. So in this case, we have been given f of x. We have been given g of x. So they are telling us that f of g of x is equal to g of f of x. So we have to find the value of k. So first, we are going to find f of g of x. This is our step 1 because we don't know f of g of x and we don't know g of f of x, and without that we cannot find the value of k. So first we will find the composition f of g of x. So let me break this down. So f of g of x, this is the same as f into g of x. So we are substituting g of x in the f of x function. So we will have this, you have f into 6x minus k. So from there, we will substitute it. We are going to have 5 into 6x minus k plus 4. So that is what we are going to have. Okay, so now we are going to open our brackets. We are going to expand this. So we are going to have 5 times 6x, that is 30x, and then 5 times k, that's minus 5k plus 4. So that's all. I told you it's not difficult. So this is f of g of x. So this is simply equal to 30x minus 5k plus 4. So here we do not have any like terms, so we cannot simplify anything. So we will just leave it like that. So let's go to the second step. The second step, we need to find g of f of x. Okay, so let me break it down. So this g of f of x equal to, this is the same as g into f of x. Okay, so we are going to substitute f of x in our g of x function. So we are going to have g into, what's our f of x? Our f of x is equal to 5x plus 4. So let us substitute this. So we will have 6 into, so we are replacing x with our f of x function. So this is 6 into 5x plus 4 minus k. Okay, so let's expand this. Let's open the bracket. So 6 times 5, that's 30x again, plus 6 times 4, that's 24, minus k. So this is what we have. So there are no like terms, so we cannot simplify anything. So we will leave it like that. So we will conclude g of f of x is equal to 30x plus 24 minus k. Okay, but that is not what we were asked in the question. We were asked to find the value of k for which f of g is equal to g of x. Okay, so we have found f of g of x. We have found g of f of x. So now let's equate the two of them and find the value of k. So we have f of g of x equal to g of f of x. So let's equate them. We have 30x minus 5k plus 4. This is equal to 30x plus 24 minus k. Okay, so from here we can already see that this and this will cancel. Why? If we send this way, we will have 30x minus 30x minus 5k plus 4 equal to 24 minus k. Okay, so 30x minus 30x, this already gives us 0. So we leave it out. So we will be left with minus 5k plus 4 equal to 24 minus k. Okay, so that is what we have. So now we have to bring like terms together. So that is what we have to do. We have to bring like terms together. So first we bring all the k's to one side. So we have minus 5k plus k. So this is minus k. When you send it over, it's going to become positive k. So that's equal to, sorry, we still have 4 there. So this is plus 4 equal to 24. Okay, so these are like terms, so we can simplify it. So what is minus 5k plus k? So that's minus 5k plus 1k. So that's going to give us minus 4k plus 4 equal to 24. Okay, so we have another like term. This 4 and 24 are like terms, so we send it to one side. So we send this way. So from there we will have minus 4k equal to 24 minus 4. So when we send it over, its sign changes. So from there we can have, that's minus 4k equal to, what's 24 minus 4 is simply 20. Okay, so that is what we have now. But remember, we want to find the value of k. We are solving for k, so we need to make k the subject of the formula. So I'm going to divide both sides by minus 4. So this will cancel this way. So we will have k equals to 20 divided by minus 4. Okay, we could leave it like that, but we can simplify it further. If we could not simplify it further, then we would simply leave it like that. But since we can simplify it further, then let's go ahead and simplify it further. So we have k equal to, so this 4 will go here one time. What's 20 divided by 4? It is 5. And this negative sign stays, so we have k is minus 5. And that is it. Okay, so remember in this question they told us that f of g is equal to g of x. So we had to find f of g of x, we had to find g of f of x, and when we equate them, we could find the value of k, which we found that k is equal to minus 5. So that is how we solve this question. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.